As an internet marketer, and specifically if you want traffic, you need the useful tools to track your sales and conversions. If you are running a campaign or running some ads, you need to understand that it should bring some quality traffic. If your ad doesn't bring traffic, then it's a waste of time and eventually you will end up wasting your money on ads with no sales and conversions. I have explored the internet in search of the tool which can actually track my campaign and ads. Tracking will tell you a lot about what is not performing and will eventually give you a chance to improvise your campaign. I am going to share my Clickmagic review and will take you deeper down into the details to help you. The best tool for click tracking that I have found recently is Clickmagic. Clickmagic is the best affiliate tracking software in the industry with its robust and variable features. Clickmagic tracking tool allows free analytics for your campaigns and keeps check on the performance of your ads. Also, it takes care of various factors such as testing the price points, payment methods, sales, page design and a lot of factors. I have given a detailed review of Clickmagic here and why it is one of the best click tracker tools in the industry in 2020. What is Clickmagic? I was looking for a tool that creates the tracking links for me and that would also bring some quality traffic for me. Clickmagic, which is often misspelled as Clickmagic. If you have been looking for tools to help excel your business, this is by far one of the best tracking software. This tool will most importantly tell you about the conversion rates of the ad or the campaign. Clickmagic is a very useful link management system for online marketers or for any business, but it is especially important for those who sell or buy traffic. It not only tracks every visit and every conversion but also controls the traffic flow by blocking false clicks such as bots or users via VPN. You can maintain traffic quality by setting a geographic or daily limit. Clickmagic also provides additional tools such as a pop-up window or a banner bar to invite users to another page. Clickmagic has recently strengthened its anti-spam policy and prohibited users from using certain spamming techniques. This is great news that will guarantee that the traffic we process comes from legitimate sources. Split test A/B. Each conversion of the tracking link can be tested separately. It's very easy to put in place. When entering 2 or more URLs, enter the percentage of traffic each page should receive. Then copy the Clickmagic tracking pixel code and paste it into your thank you pages. After configuration, traffic is randomly distributed across all pages and you can view statistics for each page separately. Clickmagic can also automatically determine the winner if the confidence interval is 95% or more and notified by email. Instructions, help, and support. Offering multiple functions is one thing, but finding everything quick and easy is another. What I find excellent with Clickmagic is that it is very easy to use. And what's even better, wherever a selection needs to be made, there is always a help button to see exactly what each option means. Steve's instructional videos are the best I've ever seen. I think this guy is a genius to explain things. By the way, no, he did not pay me to say that. There are many instructions in the help menu. Follow-up manual, frequently asked questions, video tutorials, news, system status, and support service to which you can send a support ticket. Links and rotators. Clickmagic links are commonly used in traffic exchange companies, which are typically used for individual ads by both buyers and sellers. A buyer builds a tracking link and delivers it to his or her seller so that both parties can monitor traffic and agree on the number of clicks, visits. A provider would indeed configure the buyer tracking link on the rotator. They often have more than one buyer at a time, so the traffic they provide will be in rotation, meaning that traffic will be shared equally among all their buyers. Or they want it anyway when setting up. The IP address of each visitor is recorded on the statistics page and the total number of clicks is displayed accordingly. The total number of clicks (TC) and single clicks (UC) is displayed separately. If a user visits the buyer's URL multiple times, the total number will be displayed on TC but the number in UC must remain at 1. With Clickmagic you can control and monitor traffic in a number of ways. Each function is simple and complete. Having a user-friendly interface. The dashboard inside of Clickmagic is simple and navigable to use even for newbies. If you are an affiliate marketer who is willing to learn your A/B testing and track the links, then Clickmagic can prove to be the best tool for this purpose. First, let's discuss some of the awesome features. Clickmagick offers a 14-day free trial period, which is enough time to learn and test your links. It has also the tracking features, which are essential to track your campaigns, and additional features such as tracking your opt-ins, sales upsells and conversions. Secondly, you can split test the links and look at the dashboard to check for the best performing links inside of your campaign. Also, you can set the testing parameters to check for the default settings. Measuring your traffic quality score. Clickmagick also notifies you about the quality of your traffic. It does so by calculating your traffic score. The traffic score gives you an idea of how big the traffic is in comparison with the huge and expanding data. You can check your overall traffic score as well as the traffic individually in 3 tiers: Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. The data can also tell you about the unique proxy IPs used by the vendor for showing you the traffic. The idle score for the traffic quality must be more than 75, and that will actually tell you that the traffic is real. This feature is really helpful when you are using the paid traffic and want to track it. Retargeting. One of the coolest features of Clickmagick is that it can increase your conversions by using a targeting pixels code. This pixels tracking code can be used to retarget and boost the sales. You can increase the exposure to all your offers by using the retargeting features, and your visitors can follow you from all over the web. You can also add the retargeting pixel and copy it to any of your tracking links. Speed. Clickmagick also contributes to the speed by using their servers. Usually people run the click tracking scripts in their own hosting providers. But it might not be healthy for your speed, as click tracking scripts are not always supported by the hosting providers. Using the Clickmagick's click tracking scripts, the pages load faster, and this improves the user experience. This way it also makes it easy for you to determine the speed and quality of the traffic. Automatic split tester. Clickmagick doesn't just offer a link tracking tool, but it's also the automatic split testing winner. If you have launched a campaign and have done split tests, the winner in the split test gets notified so that you can focus on that one link. Clickmagick is one of the best tracking software for the affiliate marketers, internet marketer, business owner, or anyone who wish to test variable links and get quick results for that. Notifications to your inbox. This is the latest feature in Clickmagick's arsenal, and this is surely not offered by most link tracking tools. In the right-hand side, click on the notifications icon and enable it. You will then need to enter your email address and your phone number. There will be an icon provided with each of your links where you can turn the notifications on. When the parameter gets down below certain criteria, it will notify, and so you can change your focus on other links with better performances. Who should use Clickmagick? This Clickmagick review should have helped you to decide about Clickmagick and all the essential features they provide. Anyone who has an online conversion goal can use the magic of the click. It is especially useful for those who would like to build a brand and anyone who buys or sells traffic. Clickmagick pricing. On their website is where it mentions 3 available pricing plans, and all of them have affordable features in them. The company offers the 14-day trial period for its service, and you can test this tool for 14 days. When it comes to tracking software, you want to make sure that what you're using is the best. Clickmagick has 3 different plans: the starter, standard, and pro plans. The starter plan is $17 per month. You can utilize all the core features and get up to 10,000 clicks a month. You'll also be able to add 2 custom tracking domains. The standard plan is $47 a month, and your limit gets raised to 100,000 clicks a month, plus you can get organic and funnel tracking for 5 websites, and 10 custom tracking domains. The Pro plan is $97 a month, and you get 1 million clicks a month and unlimited everything else. For most people, the starter plan should suffice. If you ever get to the point where you need the standard or Pro plans, the price points will probably be negligible for your business. There is a world of difference between providers as to the overall functionality and usability of the software. If you haven't used much tracking software yet, take on the free trial and battle test the product during your trial period. You have absolutely nothing to lose, but instead so much more to gain. Honestly though, I think you'll end up deciding on keeping Clickmagick because of their outstanding tools. This was honest opinion on my Clickmagic experience, and I currently am an active user for over 3 years. This is the best click tracking tool, and hopefully you have liked my review on it. Be sure to sign up below for the free 14-day trial by clicking on the link down in the description. Subscribe for daily videos, and thanks again for watching.